The news in detail. BJP National President JP Nadda today released the party manifesto for the Meghalaya Assembly elections in the presence of other senior leaders of the party. Addressing the gathering, Nadda said empowering Meghalaya means Modi for Meghalaya, adding that the state is culturally and traditionally rich with a lot of potential. As per the manifesto, the BJP promises a special task force under a retired Supreme Court judge to investigate all cases of corruption, pension for senior citizens, empowering women, bringing holistic development, annual financial assistance worth Rs 3,000 to landless farmers, annual financial assistance of Rs 6,000 for fishermen, 2 free LPG cylinders annually for beneficiaries of the Ujjwala Yojana's special economic zones for the empowerment of youth, and establishment of many industrial units to give a fillip to employment opportunities, among others.
And strong Meghalaya is possible with strong BJP. If we want to go forward, we visualize Meghalaya as a mega Meghalaya. We have to think big. And for thinking big, we have to see to it that speed, scale and skill, all three has to be balanced and matched. And with this intention, we are trying to see Meghalaya.